What's up everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. You're watching shoeDIY, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to loosely lace your Air Max DNs. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to loosely lace your Air Max DNs for a great relaxed, nice casual look, but also with a lacing style that's not going to wear loose as you start to wear your shoe. It's going to stay absolutely securely in place. So let's place the shoe over there so we can see what we're going to be working towards. We're going to be lacing up the right shoe, and before we start I'd recommend that you pad your shoes out with a couple of thick socks. It always helps to pad them out to make sure that it feels like your foot's inside it, and in that way you'll get yourself some wider laces going across your shoe that's going to fit your foot better. So we're not going to start at the front like we would normally with a loosely laced style. We're going to start at the top. So I'm going to be taking the lace down through that top loop on the outside of the shoe. Then take the other end on the opposite top inside loop. Bring your ends of your laces together and pull up to make sure that your laces are the same length on both sides. Just like that. So you might find at some point I'm going in and out and I'm untwisting my laces. It's just because I think they look much better when they're sitting flat. So we're going to take the outside lace first. We're going to go across the shoe to that second loop from the top on the inside of the shoe. Then we're going to take that inside lace. We're going to come across and down through that second loop on the outside of the shoe. It does help actually if you put the lace on your finger and guide it down, it keeps it nice and flat. Then take that lace across to the third loop from the top. Then take the inside lace to that third loop from the top. Then take that lace across to the outside lace across to that loop sitting at the front of the shoe on the inside. And the inside lace across to that loop on the outside of the shoe. And then if you want them a little bit wider and looser, the easiest thing to do is just pull out your shoe a little bit. So loosen off the laces, and then we're going to take that outside lace through that loop at the top, at the front. So let's guide that through, and then the inside lace is going to go through that loop as well. So the easiest way to get a lace through the loop twice is to pull your lace back, just find a little gap in there to push that through, and then the easiest thing to do is to take the plastic bit at the base and push it like that. And then hope it doesn't get wedged at the bottom. There we go. So we're going to bring that through, and then we're going to work our way, just going to loosen them off again. And then we're going to work our way back up through here. Now sometimes it is a little bit tricky trying to get a lace through some of these loops because some are tighter than others. But if you pull out the lace at the bottom and just find a little bit of a gap to get that lace in. And then you're going to work your lace up the side. So I'm just going to pull that over a little bit more. And then again, get the base of the lace there and push it through like that. With some of them you're going to have to be a little bit more persistent to get two pieces of lace through the same loop. Then you can go up to your second loop, pull your lace out of the way a little bit, just find a little bit of a gap. Once you're in, that's fine. Push it up through there and catch it on the other end, like that. And again, lace out of the way, push it up through that loop, catch it as it comes out. And the last one. like that. And then we're just going to leave that there for a minute. Then we're going to take this loop coming up the inside. So again, you might, as I said, I know this one here is a little bit tight, so a little bit of a smaller loop than the others. So just bring your lace out the way. And then push up through. Give it a bit of a wiggle if you have to. Up to the second loop. So again, just pull your lace a little bit to the one side. And move mine around, it's twisted a little bit. And up to the third loop, I'm going to turn it around because it makes it easier to get into the loop. And the fourth one. Like that. And then I'm just going to adjust the shoe to make sure the laces are as wide as each other. Like that. Push my sock inside a little bit further in so you can see the pattern better. And then the two loops that you've got there, you're going to take them behind the tongue. So I'm going to take the outside one first, just literally just pull it underneath the tongue, back up the other side, and then it comes out through that top hole there. So just push it from the back through to the front. Take it out as much as you need so you get that look that you want. And then you take the inside lace, do the same, come round underneath the tongue and back up through that last hole. And then those two loops, push them down, you'll have those sitting on top of your foot. Just make sure these are the same length. And there you've got your loosely laced with a really secure fit, going down and back up on itself. This isn't going to wear loose, which is a lot of the common complaints I hear about loosely laced styles. And for this shoe, it's absolutely spot on. And now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. So there you have your Air Max DNs loosely laced. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and for future videos, subscribe. Until the next time, thanks for watching.